So this is what we're going to be learning today, how to make this simple waist bead. On another tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this pattern. Waist bead. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to make waist bead. For this design of waist bead, you need only this type of beads. I got them in St. Makkies. We are in Nigeria, in Abuja specifically. I got one for 150 naira. You will need your fishing line, your needle. This is a regular bead needle. This is the regular beading needle. Sorry, it's not focusing. Yes, this is a regular beading needle. You also need your fishing line. Sorry for my baby's noise in the background. You need your 0.35 millimeter fishing line. So to start off with, you loosen one of these beads and pour them in a takeaway plate like this. You also thread your fishing line directly. I've already started on some here. So I've threaded my needle already. I've already started. This is the needle directly threaded from the fishing line. So you also need your measuring tape, you need your scissors, and last but not the least, you need your clasps for the jigida. That is this. Yes, you need this. For if you don't have it, you can get a lobster claw at the beading market, the beading supply store. So all you're going to do now is to put this bead on your thread up to your waist measurement. So this is why you need your measuring tape. You're going to measure your waist, either your middle waist or your lower waist, or wherever you want the bead to hang on, the waist bead to stay. You measure that place and then you start stringing your bead, after which you measure. As you're stringing, you measure. So I'm going to show you that while I'm through. So let me show you now how to put these beads, the fastest way to put these beads on your thread. So this is my needle. Then you carry your plate, you shake the bead so that it will be on one side. This is a regular beading needle, like I said. Then you just pass like this. You just continue passing it like this. This is the fastest way of doing this. Are you seeing? We already have some. Push it down. This is what you're going to continue till you've gotten the bead that can go around your waist. This is the fastest way of doing this. Instead of picking the beads one by one, you will not finish anytime soon. So I'm going to continue this till we have gotten my waist size. So I'm going to show you when I get to that stage. So the next stage now, after putting up enough beads on your thread, the next thing is to attach our thread to our screw. Yes, so how you do that is you loosen this, keep one aside, cut your thread, that is your needle that is on your thread, cut it off, keep aside. This is the screw part. This is the screw part, so we're passing our needle, our thread through the other part that is not the screw part. This is now we're passing our thread to draw it. So now we're going to start creating a knot. so that the thread cannot come back. It won't loosen, so that your beads won't fall out. We've done one knot, so create another loop. As to you continue doing this till it's a bit big. Do this like 5 times. So I've done this 2, I'll do this 3 more times. So I've tied mine. I've knotted mine 5 times. So now we push our screw back. This is our screw, to see if it can pass through. Yes, it can pass through. It's inside now. So we're going to, sorry for my baby's cry. So we're going to clip this a bit. Don't clip it so close so that your what you tied will not loosen completely. So clip it like here. We push our screw. Push our screw. So you're seeing it's not loosening. So it's not loosening. So now you push your thread. You push your beads to the end now. So this is it. We push our beads. We've pushed our bead. So to get your to be sure that your bead is your waist side, you lay it down straight on a straight surface. This is it. Follow me as well. Then you measure it like this. You measure it like this till you get your waist size. So after you do that, you just knot the end, cut the thread, and cut the thread and repeat what you did on this at this end. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.